My name is Seepersaud. I'm the team leader on the COSME project. The objective is to provide entrepreneurs with tools so that they can move from a startup to launch in a way that would reduce failures. Now, we all fail in what we do. We also talk about that. How can you learn from failure? Some ideas to identify opportunities. It will include tools for ideation, brainstorming, and we'll talk about growth. And we make the point that growth is not always good. You have to grow at the right time. We'll also make the point that growth and scaling is not the same thing. To grow, you do need to scale. To grow successfully, you need to scale, meaning that you have to get the staff, the infrastructure, and everything in place to grow successfully. On the value proposition, we'll talk about primarily satisfying customer needs. Entrepreneurs go into business not to make money. Entrepreneurs go into business to satisfy customer needs, to satisfy problems, and to exploit opportunities. And if they do so, and they're focused on the customer, they'll make money doing that. So we'll talk about the value proposition and how you could use the value proposition canvas to create an innovative business model. You can be the next Uber. You can be the next Airbnb. You could be the next Starbucks if you innovate and if you focus on satisfying needs of customers.